Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll see the integration of a linear function. They are usually of the format y is equals to the integral of ax plus b all raised to power n with respect to the x. Let's see an example. Y is equals to the integral of 4x plus 1 raised to power 5 with respect to the x. Now to integrate this, I'll simply say let u be equals to 4x plus 1. In our lesson on differentiation, we said if y is equals to ax raised to power n, this implies that my dy dx will be the same thing as anx raised to power n minus 1. Now we'll be looking for my du dx. So that du dx will be the same thing as 4 into 1 x raised to power 1 minus 1, which is the same thing as 4. My x here becomes x raised to power 0 times, and that is 1 times 4, that is 4. Now, so if du dx is the same thing as 4, invariably, my du here, I can write it as 4 dx, so that my dx will be the same thing as du over 4. Now, in place of 4x plus 1, I'll put u. In place of dx, I'll substitute it with du over 4. So I can conveniently rewrite my y to be the same thing as the integral of u raised to power 5 du over 4, which is the same thing as 1 over 4. 1 over 4 is a constant. I've just brought that out. Integral of u raised to power 5 with respect to du. Now, in our introductory lesson, we said if y is equal to the integral of ax raised to power n dx will be the same thing as ax raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So that y now will now be equals to 1 all over 4 u raised to power 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 plus c. So that my y obviously will be the same thing as 1 all over 4 dot u raised to power 6 over 6 plus c. That's the same thing as u raised to power 6 over 4 times 6, that's 24 plus c. So I can solve this to mean y now will be equals to u is the same thing as 4x plus 1 all raised to power 6 over 24 plus c. Now that's how to integrate for a function of a function. Let's see another example. E raised to power 5x plus 2 with respect to dx. Now, can you try your hands on this? I appreciate you pause the video and give this a try. Let's say y is equals to e raised to power 5x plus 2. Let u be equals to 5x plus 2. So that my du dx will be the same thing as 5. Remember, x will become 1 minus x will become x raised to power 1 minus 1, which is x raised to power 0, which is 1. And my constant 2 here automatically becomes what? 0. So this implies that dx is equals to du over 5. Now we can get to substitute so that y now will be equals to the integral of e raised to power u dot du over 5, which is equals to 1 all over 5 integral of e raised to power u du. Now, remember when we were dealing with standard integrals, we pointed out that the integral of e raised to power x is the same thing as e raised to power what? X. Same thing applies here. So that the integral of e raised to power u is the same thing as e raised to power u. So I can rewrite this as equals to 1 all over 5 e raised to power u plus c, where u is equals to 5x plus 2. So that my y now still equals to e raised to power 5x plus 2 over 5 plus c. Now, as a take-home assignment, I would appreciate you try your hands on this and share your results with us in the comment section. Y is equals to the integral of cos 3x. What do you think this should give you? I appreciate you can share your results with us in the comment section. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.